Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install YouTube Music on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. I'll show you two methods using two different browsers. One is using the default browser, that is Safari, and another one is using Google Chrome browser. So let's discuss both the method one by one. First of all, let's discuss how we can install YouTube Music using Safari browser. For that, open the browser, visit music.youtube.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the link in the description box. And sign in with your YouTube Music account. Once done, click on File option, click on Add to Dock, and give name to your application, that is YT Music, or else you can simply write YouTube Music. Now click on Add, and here we have a YouTube Music application added to the dock. To open it, you can simply use the shortcut, or else you can simply open Apps folder and search for YT Music and open it. It will work as a standalone YouTube Music application on your macOS. Now let me show you another method using the Chrome browser. For that, first of all, you have to install Google Chrome browser on your Mac. I already have a video on it, so I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. Once you have installed Google Chrome browser, open it. Again, visit music.youtube.com. Log into your YouTube Music account. Here you will find install option. Simply click on this install YouTube Music option. Here we have the installation window. Click on install. And here we have the YouTube Music application. If you want, you can also ping this to your dock. For that, right click on the YouTube Music icon, click on option and click on keep in dock. Now you can simply use this dock icon to open YouTube Music application on your macOS. Now if you want to uninstall YouTube Music, then process is different for both the method. Let me show you how. Open Finder application, click on your username, open Applications folder, and if you get YT Music application, then this is the application you have installed using Safari browser. To uninstall it, right click on it, then click on Move to Trash. Now to install the Chrome version, open the Chrome's Applications folder. Here you will find YouTube Music application, right click on it, then click on Move to Trash. After that, remove the dock icon. Once done, open the trash and empty the trash. So that's it. This is how you can install YouTube Music on macOS. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.